So we need to change this color to some other color once it is correctly selected. So what we can do for that, on the key up, once the word is correctly selected, what we can do is that for these div elements having the class name color purple, we can add another class name correctly selected or something like that, and then give another color. So before removing this class name color purple, inside the key up itself, what we can do, dollar dot color purple dot add class correctly selected. Okay, and for correctly selected, we can have some background color, say background to be, say, silver. Okay, now let me save this and check the output. Let me refresh. Let me just click ARQ. It is not correct. Then let me find out the words. Okay, JAM. See, it is displayed in some other color. Now suppose I select a wrong word, BPS, nothing happens. Now let me try to find out the word correctly. See, OATS. See, it is correct. Here also it is crossed out. Then let me wrongly select a word, nothing happens. Then some other word, see, MILK, release. See, it got crossed out, and also here it is displayed in a different color. Then something else. Now we need to find EGG, right? Let me try to find that word. E is here. Okay, yes, EGG, yes. Then butter. Let me try to find the letter butter. Sorry, word butter. B, yes, BUTTER. It is correctly selected. SUGAR. It is correctly selected. Then we need to find bread, right? Let me try to find bread. Yes, BREAD. Correctly selected. Then we have rusk. That is the one more word remaining. Let me try to find it out. Yes, RUSK. Now all the words are correctly selected. So we should give some hint to the user that the game is over. So what we can do for that, we are adding the class name done here, right? So after this we can make another check. If $dot done, that is the class name, dot length equals my words dot length, which means that we have found out all the words correctly, right? In that case, what we can do is that we can specify $hint dot remove, that is all the P elements in that hint div element, that is this main div element, and in this div element itself we are going to show the message. So I'm removing all these P elements, and then I'm going to specify $hint dot append P. Within a P element I want to display the message, okay, /P. Let me give an ID for this so that I can style this. ID equal to message, okay, and wow, you have done it. And let me also style this message P element, message color to be red. I just want to display it in red color. Now let me save this and play the game correctly. Let me refresh. Let me select the words egg. Let me try to find out EGG. Yes, correctly selected. Then next is milk. So let me check for milk. Yes, oh sorry, it is not correct. So let me try to find out. Rusk, RUSK is here. Milk. I could not find out milk. Okay. Yes. MILK. Then butter. Let me try to find it out. BU is here. Butter. Okay. Yes. BUTTER. Jam. Yes, JAM. Okay, it didn't select M. JAM. Oats. Oats. Yes, OATS. Sugar and bread. Yes, BREAD. Finally, we need to find sugar. Yes, SUGAR. Okay, the hint element itself got removed. Actually, I should not use the method remove. It should be empty only. When we specify remove method, this element itself gets removed. I have to use empty method. It was a mistake from my part. Empty means it will empty the element. That is, all the elements within this hint element will be removed. When we specify remove, it is removing the element itself. That is why we could not see it. Okay. Again, I have to play the game because of a mistake from my side. Let me try to find out the words. Okay. Egg. Yes, milk is here. MILK. Let me try to find egg. Okay, I could not find egg. Let me try some other words. Jam is here. Butter is here. Oats is here. Bread is here. Rusk is here. Sugar is here. Sorry, I clicked Control key instead of Command key. That is why it got displayed like that. SUGAR, sugar, and EGG. See, wow, you have done it. So we are getting it correctly, right? Now we can display some rules for the player to understand about the game in the beginning. So for that, what we can do here, before arranging the game, let me try to add a message like alert, rules. We can use div element if we want. I'm just using alert message itself. 1. Words could be displayed horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. /n. Then rule number 2. To select the letters, press Shift or Command key and then click the letters in the correct order and then release the Shift or Command key. These are the two rules I want to display. So initially we will be having the hint div element displayed, right? That is, suppose I save this. See, we are seeing this element. Actually, this div element should not be there. Only once the player clicks this OK button, we should have this hint element as well. So initially what we can do for the hint element, we can specify display to be none. Okay. And in the arrange game function, here we can display the hint element. So $hint dot show. Now let me save this. Rules. Now the hint element is not displayed. Let me click OK. We are seeing the hint element with the words and also the section. Now let us try to play the game. Let me just click these. It is not a word. Jam, butter, bread, milk, sugar, egg. We need to find oats and rusk. Okay, rusk is here. RUSK. Oats is here. See, wow, you have done it. If you want, you can add a start and reset button. Now I haven't added it here. This is just a basic interface of word search game. So we have implemented this word search game using jQuery. We are adding the items horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. We have written the code not to overwrite the words or letters. And then we have checked the correct word and crossed out from this list. And once all the words are found out, we are displaying, wow, you have done it. So this is the word search game we have developed from scratch using jQuery.